Hello everyone, I am Pankaj and today we are going to discuss about a very important and very interesting topic of English grammar. But before starting something, I would like to put a question before you. How do you identify something? You must have seen many things. You must have interacted with many situations. You must have many ideas. How do you express those ideas? How do you identify something in your surroundings? How do you call someone? Yes, the answer is just one, that is with their names. So today we are going to discuss about this particular topic of English grammar, that is noun. But before starting something, let's try to understand what is noun. What exactly noun is? So, as I told you that we identify something with their names. Without names, we cannot communicate to anyone. Without names, we cannot refer to anyone. So names are called nouns. It can be the name of anything. It may be the name of a person. It may be the name of a place. It may be the name of a thing. Or it may be the name of an animal. So whatever the names are there, they all are called nouns. So now, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. It may also name a feeling or idea. However, we cannot see the feelings, we cannot see the ideas, we cannot see them, we cannot touch them, we can only feel them, we can only think of that, we can only imagine that. So that is called noun. Let's take some examples. Boy, it's a person, so we can see them, we can touch them. House, again this is also a name. Book, this is the name of a thing. Lion, this is the name of an animal. Happiness and beauty, these two are the things which we cannot see, we cannot touch, we can only feel, we can only imagine, we can only think of. So there are many things. There are few things which we can see and touch. There are few other things which we cannot see or we cannot touch. We can only have feelings. But all of them are known as nouns. As there are many things in our surroundings and there are many other things which we cannot see, we can only feel, but all of these certainly have got certain names. So let's classify all these names and let's learn the first kind of classification of noun. Here we can divide nouns in 5 parts. The first one is proper noun, second is common noun, third is collective noun, fourth is material noun, and fifth is abstract noun. So this way we can classify nouns in 5 ways. First of all, let's see what is proper noun. A particular or specific name of a person, place, thing, or an animal is called proper noun. Here you have to be careful. A specific name of something is called proper noun. For example, Ram. Ram is the specific name of a boy. Delhi. This is a particular name of a place. Ganga. This is again a particular name of a river. The Gita. This is again a particular name of a book. July. This is a specific name of a month. Common noun, as the word suggests that it is not specific, it is common. So the common name given to every person, place, or thing of the same class or kind is called common noun. For example, teacher, it can be any teacher. City, it can be any city. River, it can be any river. Book, again it's a common name. Month, again it's a common name. So these all are the common names. these are not specific names, so they are known as common nouns. Let's try to know the difference between proper noun and common noun. You can see here in picture that two words are written. The first one is Ram and the second one is boy. However, both are the boys, but Ram is the specific name or particular name of a person. However, the boy is a common name. So, Ram is proper noun and boy is common noun. Desire and car, these two are the words mentioned in the picture. Desire, this is a specific name of a car, and car, this is a common name. So, desire is a proper noun and car is a common noun. You can see again in the picture that these two are the places. The first one is Delhi, the second one is just written place. However, both of them are places, but Delhi is the specific or particular name of a place and place is a common name. So, Delhi is proper noun and place is common noun. Again, you can see in the picture that two books are there. The first one is Gita and the second one is book. These two books, you can see that first one has been named a specific name it has got, and the second one has got a common name. So the first one, the Gita, is the example of proper noun, and the second one, book, is the example of common noun. The third kind of noun is known as collective noun. It is neither a specific name nor the name which is common. It is the name given to a group of similar things or persons. So the name given to a group of similar things or persons is called collective noun. For example, a team of players. When there are many players together, then it is known as a team. A bouquet of flowers, a bunch of keys, a bundle of sticks, a swarm of bees. Here team, bouquet, bunch, bundle and swarm, these are the names given to a particular group of persons or things. So they are known as collective nouns. See here, there are two pictures. One is the picture of a team and the second is the picture of a bouquet. The first one, team, it includes many people, and the second one, bouquet, it includes many flowers. So they are the names of groups, so they are collective noun. You can see again in those two pictures, bunch of keys and bundle of sticks. There are many keys, and when they are put together, then it is known as bunch of keys. When there are many sticks and they are put together, then it is known as bundle of sticks. So here bunch and bundle, these two are the names of things which are in group. So bunch and bundle, they are called as collective noun. Here you can see there are two pictures. One is the picture of soldiers and the other is picture of many students. But there are many soldiers. They all are together. So they are known as army. Army is the name of a group of soldiers. And when there are many students together, then it is known as class. So army and class, these two are the examples of collective noun. The fourth kind of noun is material noun. The name of a matter or substance of which something is made is called material noun. For example, gold. We can make many things from gold. Sugar. We can make many things from sugar. Milk. We can again make many things from milk. Water. We can make many things from water. Wood. We can make many things from wood. So gold, sugar, milk, water, wood. They are the things of which many things can be made. So they are known as material noun. Here you can see that these two are the pictures of gold and sugar. From gold we can make many kinds of jewelry. With sugar we can make many kinds of sweets. Milk is quite useful and we can make many things from milk. Water, it is again very useful. We can make many things from water. So these are the names of substances. So they are known as material noun. The next one is abstract noun. The name of some state, quality, feeling or idea that we can only think of or feel but cannot touch or see is called abstract noun. For example, beauty, cold, truth, love, happiness. These are the states, qualities, feelings or ideas. We cannot see them, we cannot touch them, we can only feel, we can only think of, we can only imagine. So they are known as abstract nouns. You can see in the picture, a person is in pain, but we can see a person, we cannot see his pain. Pain is something which can only be felt. Happiness, we can see that they are happy, but happiness is something which can only be felt. Bravery and beauty, we can feel the bravery, we cannot see the bravery. Bravery is the name of a quality. Beauty is something which we can feel, but we cannot touch the beauty. This is the name of a quality. So bravery and beauty are also the examples of abstract nouns. As there are many things in our surroundings, we interact with many things, so we can classify the nouns in many ways. Let's learn the second kind of classification of noun, that is countable noun and uncountable noun. Let's learn what is countable noun. A noun that can be counted is called countable noun. It has a plural form. Some examples are there like boy, tree, book, city, river. They all can be counted. So they can be either one or more than one. For example, boy, there can be many boys. Tree, there can be many trees. Book, can be many books. City, there can be many cities. River, there can be many rivers. We can count them. But there is another kind of noun which is known as uncountable noun. A noun that cannot be counted is called uncountable noun. It does not have a plural form. Some examples there: water, wood, gold, beauty, childhood. These are the nouns which we cannot count. They are uncountable. We can divide nouns in the other way also. So let's learn the third kind of classification of noun. Here we can classify the nouns in two ways: concrete noun and abstract noun. Let's learn what the concrete noun is. Concrete nouns stand for something that we can see or touch, something that has a physical form, something that has a position in space. Concrete nouns usually refer to people, animals, places, things, and substances. Some examples are there: people like uncle, architect. We can see them, we can touch them. Animals, lion, swan. We can see them, we can touch them. Places, school, market. Things like book, watch. Substances like gold, milk. We all can see them. We all can touch them. So they are known as concrete nouns. They all have got some physical form. So that is easily visible. So that is why they are known as concrete nouns. The next category is abstract noun. Abstract nouns are names of feelings, qualities, states of mind, or ideas. It has no physical form, so we cannot see them, we cannot touch them, we can only feel them, we can only imagine them, we can only think of them. Some feelings are like love, anger. Some qualities are bravery, honesty. Some states of mind are hope, trust. Some ideas are education and knowledge. We can only feel them. We cannot see them, we cannot touch them because they do not have any kind of physical form. So they are known as abstract nouns. So my dear friends, you must have realized that without nouns we cannot use any kind of language, because noun means names. It can be the name of a person, place, thing, animal. It can be the name of anything. But without noun we cannot use any kind of things. We cannot use any kind of language. So we need nouns, and that is what it becomes a very important and very interesting topic of English grammar. I hope you must have understood what the noun is. It is the name. It can be the name of anything, but it is the name. So I must hope now that you must have got the answer of the question what the noun is. Thank you very much for your precious time. Have a wonderful learning. Thank you.